Hi, I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group powered by eXp Realty, and today we're in Phoenix, Arizona. Today we're at 3307 West Altedena Avenue in Phoenix, Arizona. Now before going inside this home, let's talk about the community. You're within walking distance of Cholla Middle School, and also Saguaro Elementary School is just on the other side of Cactus, so very conveniently located. If you're looking for shopping options, well, there's a QT within 1 mile if you need to get gas. Well, that's very important right now. If you need groceries, there's one at 43rd and Cactus, that's the Fry's. So both very conveniently located. For you Costco shoppers, you can either go south down to Indian School or go north up to Union Hills, Yorkshire Drive area. Both conveniently located within 10 to 15 minutes of here. As far as eating, tons of options for that. Down in Peoria, you've got Brother Cane, Raising Cane, I believe is what it's called, the chicken place, absolutely phenomenal, as well as several other eateries. In your Starbucks, obviously there's a Starbucks within 1 mile too. All right, let's go over the specs on this one. This is a single story. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,080 square feet. This is a really good sized home for a move down buyer, a starting buyer, like just getting going with that 3-2 setup, or an investor. I absolutely love this. It hits a sweet spot in a lot of areas for all different kinds of people in different phases of their life. So let's go over some details on this one. So like I said, it's a 3 bedroom, 2 bath. This home was remodeled partially. So what this home used to have is it had a wall that went right through here that divided up the kitchen area from the living room area. So it is very narrow opening through here. What the seller did is they removed this wall. So they've started the remodel for you guys, and then you'll be at the point to where you can continue from here. And it'll open up the kitchen area into the great room. So it's gonna give people a lot of options on this. So they do wanna add an island, stuff like that. It wouldn't have been possible before, but now it is. Gonna have a nice open feel with the vaulted ceilings in the living room. I know what you're thinking, Kevin, why are you standing in the garage? Well, because this home was built in 1961, it was actually pretty rare to have a garage. So this was added down the line. On this particular one, it has a 1-car garage, and then behind me is a storage room where the washer and dryer are at. This is nice. You can get the vehicle out of the elements, or you can turn this into like a workshop area. Plus, right outside here, we've got a driveway that is actually 2 cars, almost 2.5 cars wide. So you can definitely fit plenty of vehicles in here. The side fence area is wide enough, so if you do want to put an RV gate over on this side here, definitely got the usable space to do it. All right, we're out back. So what I like about this home as well is you've got this covered patio, very large space here to entertain. You can go into the backyard, and it's what we like to call a blank canvas, meaning you can do anything with it. And I know for a lot of people, they're like, blank canvas means money. If you just simply wanted to rock this yard though, you could do that for less than $2,500. It's not that expensive to actually do this yard out. You can get pretty extravagant if you want. Another thing is we are backing an alley. So if you would like to add an RV gate access off of this, you definitely can do that as well. So you got a couple options. I talked about the one up front. You got the area back here that you can also do that too. All right, one more thing I wanted to point out before I sign off and tell you how to contact me is we are conveniently located to the airport and the sporting events as well. All of that stuff is within about a 20 to 30 minute drive at the most. So I do make it super simple for you to contact me if you'd like to see this home. Phone number 602-763-8106, or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, bye.